Welcome back to Pizza Party, everybody. Today we're just gonna make a simple pepperoni pizza. We're gonna try something different today. I picked up some pre-made pizza dough at the local grocery store. They pull it out of the freezer and they put it in their deli section. Then you bring it home and just put it in one of your proofing containers like this. This is a 50-50 mixture of 00 flour and semolina. We're using that just to scrape it off the bottom. This happens to be whole wheat pizza dough. I like to make my own pizza dough, but I've also been enjoying the simplicity of just buying it at the local grocery store because then I don't need to plan days in advance. For the most part, it works out pretty good. They don't tell you on the instructions what type of flour they use. They say about 500 degrees for a pizza oven, so we just try to keep the Blackstone Pizza Oven at around 500 degrees. And I just do my best to make this into something that resembles a circle. We're using the Don Pepino pizza sauce today. I found this in New York last year. They make it in New Jersey. It's good stuff. Down with a little bit of the sauce, and we'll try our best to spread it evenly. If there was ever anything I struggled with in the past is always putting too much sauce. You should always have a little less sauce than what you think you need, if that makes any sense. I found this recently, I love it. It's a whole chunk of mozzarella. It's a little bit different than fresh mozzarella. It doesn't have all the liquid, but it's nice and it's solid. It's one piece. It's definitely my favorite type of mozzarella. On the Neapolitan pizzas, I just take whole slices of it and I just grate it up with my cheese grater, something like this, down with my freshly grated mozzarella. It's always better to grate your own cheese if you can, then you don't need to worry about all the additives that they put in shredded cheese to keep it shredded. And for the first time ever today, I'm trying turkey pepperoni. I always made fun of turkey pepperoni in the past. You know, some people like turkey more. Hey, it smells okay. Down with my turkey pepperoni, which looks amazingly similar to regular pepperoni. I put a little bit of extra mozzarella on top just to kind of hold everything together. A personal thing with me, I have to have garlic on my pizza, so garlic powder, and I typically go in with some type of Italian seasoning. Today, it's the Mrs. Dash Italian medley. So I'm trying to keep close to the dough instructions. I have this about 550 degrees or so. I have the brand new Walmart exclusive perforated Blackstone pizza pill. Let's give it a try. Into the Blackstone Pizza Oven. And because I'm at a lower temperature today, I'm only cooking at 550 degrees. It's gonna take a couple more minutes. This should take around 4.5 to 5 minutes today. All right, I think it's about perfect. It's been maybe 4.5 minutes, 5 minutes tops. Take a look at that. I'm telling you what, folks, the crust looks amazing. Check it out. See if we can get underneath and you get a picture of that. Look at that, gorgeous color. Nice and crispy. Let's give it a try. This mozzarella, the Galbani Italian style, whole mozzarella is a game changer. Since I found it, it's my favorite, but out of all the stores around here, only one store, Safeway, carries it. If you can find this, I highly recommend it. I've made my own dough. Some of it came out amazing, some of it came out terrible, but there's no shame in buying a dough at the store. It's incredible. If you're interested in the Walmart edition of the Blackstone Pizza Oven, you can get that at Walmart and Walmart.com. Walmart also has several exclusive Blackstone Pizza accessories. Take one last look at this delicious pepperoni pizza. Thanks for watching Pizza Party, everybody.